Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Bolero which is come for sale in Bangalore. That's the Bolero camper, two-wheel drive vehicle, and with a brand new paint job as well as brand new body installed on this. This is a 2008 model, second owner vehicle, completely restored at Jeep Zone Bangalore itself. You can just have a look. The complete front to back as well as bumpers all are brand new, which is being installed. You can just have a look at the body line. We have installed the new bumper in this. This is a whiteboard vehicle. New insurance as well as new FC is done on this vehicle for next 5 years. Documents are valid at the moment. Second owner vehicle, brand new, latest grille has been added. New headlights have been added on this. You can just check complete body line. This is a leaf suspension vehicle. This is a two-wheel drive vehicle. The vehicle is also having a MRF tire 215, that's 235 75 15 tires have been added. You can just check out the complete body line of this vehicle. This is totally a whiteboard vehicle. The vehicle is coming up with a DI turbo engine, 5+1 gearbox, power steering is available in this Karnataka registered vehicle, and this is the cabin which can be utilized for many purpose. And right now I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. So you can just check out the interiors of this vehicle. The interiors are also brand new at the moment. Dashboard has been painted, new steering has been added. We have installed a new mattings on the roof. Seat covers have been added, brand new. And this is a 5+1 gearbox, two-wheel drive vehicle. Brand new steering has been done on this vehicle. Both the sides you can just check out the seat covers, and we also have sunroof installed on this, manual sunroof as per the customer requirement. So you can just check out the back utility space you can utilize for farming purpose also. So this vehicle is readily available for sale in Bangalore at the moment. Anybody who's really interested in having a look at this vehicle can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. This is readily available for sale near to Jeep Zone itself. It's available. 2008 model, second owner vehicle, fully restored. Documents are valid up to next 5 years from today. So only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us. This is a Bolero camper whiteboard readily available for sale. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.